leave us mine. I'm the proprietor. Wait for my company to get acquired. 200,000 cases strong. One day I'll have enough to buy my grandchildren. Droopy on the creek.
Yeah, it does have a slot port on the side, but it's all the way on the back side. It's not next to the carpet, so that's some pretty good wind moving right there, buddy. Yeah. Gately Audio, that 15. One single 15. Getting it.
I'll retire when I expire. I'm in the truck like a spare tire.